Mom, it's Sunday again, so we're gonna prepare our weekly meal standard. It's our cauliflower, but today we're gonna cook separate gulay, yung sayote. Kaya natin ng carrots. For the cauliflower is the sicharo, and shrimp, ito chicken. Let's start preparing for lunch and the weekly meals. For lunch, baka we'll eat our leftover yesterday na boiled vegetable and hito. Nag-treat si Kuya Daniel sa Din Tai Fung last night, so hindi natin nakain ng ating dinner. Let's start preparing. Prepare na natin, Mom, she's ang ating weekly Sunday meals. Yung cauliflower, naman ang gigisa natin sa shrimp. Yung kasayote sa chicken. Both have carrots. Sicharo is for the cauliflower. Sibuyas, bawang. We'll use garlic, salt, and patis to taste for our weekly Sunday meal. Sana natin yung shrimp for the cauliflower. For the carrots, yun na yung sicharo, then cauliflower. This is for the sayote. Cauliflower. So, yung sicharo and carrots na na natin. This is the chicken for the sayote. So, lagyan natin ang boat ng water. Madami nga yung ating cauliflower. Ayan, pinapalabot natin yung chicken. Then, we'll place the sayote and carrots. Pag malambot na to, tsaka natin lagay yung shrimp. Siya ng garlic salt aside sa patis natin. Yung hard garlic salt natin nag-harden from Landers. The one na nanggagaling kay Tito Leonie from the US, hindi nag-harden. So we have to scoop it with teaspoon para makuha natin yung garlic salt. Dagdagan pa ba natin ng water? Tama na. Same it is. Tignan natin ng shrimp. Few minutes magluto na yan. So yung sayote, lagay na rin natin yung carrot. Dahil ng ating sayote, lagyan na natin ng garlic salt. Pero this is our cauliflower. Lagyan na rin ng shrimp.